Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Here we have another question for simplification, question number 12. Our question is like this. A upon 1 minus 2a plus a upon 1 plus 2a plus 2a upon 1 plus 4a square plus 16aq upon 16a power 4 minus 1. So for this question also, we start taking the LCM from the first two terms. That means first we take a upon 1 minus 2a plus a upon 1 plus 2a. We take the LCM from these two terms, we simplify it, and what we get this is combined with this third term and take the LCM second time, and again what we will get, we combine with the third term. By taking the LCM in 3 steps, this question can be simplified in an easy way. So let's start. So 1 plus 2a times 1 minus 2a, LCM of the first two denominators. 1 plus 2a, 1 minus 2a. So with this a, 1 plus 2a, and with this a, 1 minus 2a are multiplied. Now this third term, 2a upon 1 plus 4a square as it is, plus 16a cube upon this denominator. It is not in order. We have 1 first, but here 16a power 4 first and 1 second. So by taking minus common, we change this in order. If we write like this, from this also we get now 1 plus 4a square, 1 minus 4a square, similar to other denominators. So we can arrange the order here by taking the minus sign, because if we have b minus a, that is minus a plus b, if we take minus common, then we will get a minus b in the bracket. So when we have b minus a, taking minus common, we can write a minus b. In the same way, by taking minus sign here, for this 16a power 4 minus 1, I have written 1 minus 16a power 4. Now we open the bracket here. A plus 2a square, here also a minus 2a square, and denominator also a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, plus 2a upon 1 plus 4a square, plus minus minus 16a cube upon 1 minus 16a to the power 4. This plus 2a square minus 2a square cancel. So a plus a, it is 2a upon 1 minus it is 4a square. Square of 2a is 4a square. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. And it is 2a upon 1 plus 4a square minus 16a cube upon 1 minus 16a to the power 4. Now we take the LCM in these two terms. So what is the LCM? 1 plus 4a square times 1 minus 4a square. First denominator 1 minus 4a square, second denominator 1 plus 4a square. So while taking LCM, we have to write both. So this 2a is multiplied with 1 plus 4a square, and this another 2a in the second term multiplied with 1 minus 4a square and minus 16a cube upon 1 minus 16a to the power 4. The last term as it is. Now we have to open the bracket here. It is 2a into 1, 2a plus 4 to the 8a cube plus 2a 4 2 times again minus 8a cube, and this last term as it is minus 16 cube upon 1 minus 16a power 4. We have denominator here 1 plus 4a square 1 minus 4a square. Now look at this, plus 8aq minus 8aq cancel. So 2a plus 2a, 4a upon it is a square minus b square. And last term as it is. So it is 4a upon 1 minus 16a power 4. Square of 4, 16 square of a square it is a power 4 minus last term as it is. Now we have the same denominator in both the terms. Now finally we got two terms here. 4a upon 1 minus 16a power 4 minus 16aq upon 1 minus 16 a power 4. Now our LCM is 1 minus 16 a power 4. So what will be remaining here? 4a and minus 16aq as it is. So here 4a we can take common. After taking 4a common, 1 minus 4a square will be remaining there in the bracket. 4 times 16 we have taken a common. So after taking 4a common, what will be remaining here in the first term? 1 only minus 4 times 16 and a square. From aq, when 1a is taken common, then a square will be remaining there. In denominator again, but this we have to write in the form of factor. It is 1 square minus 16a power 4 is 4a square. 1 square. Again I am writing this in the form of a square minus b square because we are getting 1 minus 4a square in the numerator, and the denominator 1 minus 16a power 4 also contains 1 minus 4a square. So one factor can be cancelled. Therefore I am factorizing this denominator again here. After that I am writing here 4a 1 minus 4a square upon a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b, 1 plus 4a square times 1 minus 4a square. This 1 minus 4a square cancels, numerator denominator. So it is remaining there in numerator 4a upon denominator 1 plus 4a square. So this is the okay. 1 plus b upon a minus b plus 2ab upon a square plus b square minus a upon a plus b plus 4aq upon a power 4 plus b power 4. This is our question. Now here also we take the LCM from the first two terms. 1 plus b upon a minus b, and what will we get? We combine this with this a upon a plus b. Then in this way, turn by turn, we take the LCM. It will be easier for us. So first I am taking the LCM in these two terms, a minus b LCM. So with this a, what will be remaining? A minus b and plus b as it is. We know that while taking the LCM, we have 1 only, the first term. It has a denominator also 1, we can suppose. And if this LCM is divided by 1, we will get a minus b, and a minus b into 1, a minus b. And second term, this LCM a minus b, denominator also a minus b. When a minus b is divided by a minus b, there will remain 1, and 1 into b, it is b. So plus 2ab. Okay, first we write this minus a upon a plus b and plus 2ab upon a square plus b square plus 4aqb upon a power 4 plus b power 4 as it is. Now this minus b plus b cancel. So it is a upon a minus b minus a upon a plus b second term. Third term 2ab upon a square plus b square. Next term 4aqb upon a power 4 plus b power 4. Now again we take the LCM in the first two terms. So we have one denominator a plus b, another denominator a minus b. Therefore LCM is also a plus b times a minus b. A times when LCM is divided by denominator a minus b will be cancelled. So what will be remaining there? A plus b, and this minus a, and a plus b cancels, remains a minus b plus 2ab upon a square plus b square plus 4aqb upon a power 4 plus b power 4. Now we open the bracket here. Denominator a plus b times a minus b as it is. When this bracket a plus b is open with this a into a square plus ab, and this second bracket is open with this minus a. So minus a square minus minus plus ab plus 2ab upon a square plus b square plus 4aqb upon a4 plus b4 as it is. Now this plus a square minus a square cancel. I'm writing here on the top. So ab plus ab it is 2ab upon a plus b, a minus b. We can write a square minus b square for this, and this plus 2ab upon a square plus b square plus 4aqb upon a power 4 plus b power 4. Now again we take the LCM in the first two terms. We are taking the LCM turn by turn. So what is the LCM? A square plus b square. Second denominator a square minus b square. First denominator. So this is the LCM. So 2ab times a square plus b square, and this plus 2ab times, now a square plus b square cancels, so a square minus b square plus the last term as it is 4aqb upon a power 4 plus b power 4. We open the bracket. 2a into a square a cube b plus 2ab into b square b cube plus here also 2aqb minus 2a b cube upon, for this a plus b, a minus b, we can write a square minus b square last term as it is a power 4 plus b power 4. Now this 2ab cube minus 2ab cube cancels. So 2aqb plus 2aqb, like terms which are added together. So 2 plus 2 it is 4aqb upon denominator it is a power 4 minus b power 4, and our last term is 4aqb upon a power 4 plus b power 4. Okay, look here guys, now we have two terms only. We take the final LCM here. So this a power 4 minus b power 4, a power 4 plus b power 4, both are different factors, so we take both here as LCM. A power 4 plus b power 4 times a power 4 minus b power 4, and with this 4aqb multiplied with this a power 4 plus b power 4, and the second term 4aqb is multiplied with a power 4 minus b power 4. Now we open the bracket here. Four aqb into a power 4. 4aqb into a power 4. 4a power 3 plus 4b, that is 4a power 7b. On the same base, in multiplication, power added together. So it is 4a power 7b plus 4 a cube b into b power 4, b power 5. a cube b power 5. Here also 4 a power 7b minus plus minus minus 4 a cube b power 5 upon, again we have a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, because a is a power 4, b is b power 4, a plus b times a minus b, a square minus b square. So this 4 a cube b power 5 minus 4 a cube b power 5 cancels. So 4 plus 4, 8 power 7 b, because these are like terms which can be added together, upon this is 8 to the power 4 2 times it is 8 minus b to the power 8. So this is the answer. Question number 14. Our question is like this: 1 upon a plus 1 plus 2 upon a square plus 1 plus 4 upon a power 4 plus 1 plus 8 upon a to the power 8 minus 1. We cannot factorize this first, second and third denominators here, because this a square plus 1 cannot be factorized, this a power 4 plus 1 also cannot be factorized. Only the last denominator a to the power 8 minus 1 can be factorized. So which denominator can be factorized? We start our simplification from the same side. That means we factorize the last denominator and we start taking LCM from the last two terms, and what we get we combine with the second term and with the first term. In this way we come from the opposite direction there, because the last denominator. It can be done by bringing this last term as first, making the last term the first term also, but it is not necessary. We can start from the last also. Look here, how do we start it? So first term, second term, third term we write as it is, and only the last denominator a to the power 8 minus 1 can be written as a to the power 4 whole square minus 1 can be written as 1 square, so that it is in the form of a square minus b square. 1 upon a plus 1, 2 upon a square plus 1 plus 4 upon a power 4 plus 1. Now it is 8 upon a power 4 plus 1 a power 4 minus 1. Now we are taking the LCM from the last two terms. We leave the first two terms as it is and we take the LCM from the last two terms. So what is our LCM? A power 4 plus 1. It is common in the third and fourth denominator, and what is remaining there? A power 4 minus 1. So with this 4, what is remaining? And here we are dividing this LCM by the denominator, a power 4 minus 1, because denominator is a power 4 plus 1, LCM is a power 4 plus 1 times a power 4 minus 1. While dividing, a power 4 plus 1 will be cancelled and a power 4 minus 1 will be remaining, which will be multiplied with this 4. And second term, the denominator and LCM it is same, so there will remain 8 only. Now we open this bracket here. First term and second term as it is. Denominator a power 4 plus 1, a power 4 minus 1. So it is 4a power 4 minus 4 plus 8. So 1 upon a plus 1 plus 2 upon a square plus 1 as it is. So here this 4a power 4 plus 8 minus 5, it is plus 4 upon denominator as it is, a power 4 plus 1 times a power 4 minus 1. Now we take 4 common there in numerator. The first two terms as it is. If we take 4 common there, a power 4 plus 1 will be remaining in the bracket, and denominator a power 4 plus 1, a power 4 minus 1. Look here guys, we have a power 4 plus 1 both in numerator and denominator. It is multiplication form, it can be cancelled. First term, this is second term. Now this is 4 upon this a power 4 minus 1 can be written as in the form of a square minus b square again, as it is a square whole square minus 1 is 1 square. We can use the formula of a square minus b square here. For two terms as it is, plus 4 upon a square plus 1 times a square minus 1. A square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. Now we take the LCM in the last two terms. So 1 upon a plus 1 as it is. Now LCM in these last two terms, a square plus 1 common and a square minus 1 is there in the second denominator. This second means this denominator. So with this 2, what will be remaining? For multiply there, this a square plus 1 will be cancelled, and this is a square minus 1, and here 4 only, because LCM and denominator is same. So again we open this bracket here. One upon a plus 1 plus, so this is 2a square minus 2 plus 4 upon denominator as it is, a square plus 1 times a square minus 1. 1 upon a plus 1 is 2a square plus 2 plus 4 minus 2, it is plus 2 upon a square plus 1 times a square minus 1. Again we take 2 common there in the numerator. 1 upon a plus 1 plus 2 common, a square plus 1 upon a square plus 1, a square minus 1. So again we have a square plus 1 both in numerator and denominator, which can be cancelled. Now we have 1 upon a plus 1 first term, and here 2 upon this a square minus 1 can be written as a plus 1 times a minus 1. Now we are taking the final LCM. So a plus 1 common here in both expression, both terms, and a minus 1 is remaining here. So a plus 1 cancel. What will remain there? A minus 1, and here 2 only, because denominator LCM same. So it is, you can write here, a plus 1 plus 2 minus 1, it is plus 1, a plus 1, a minus 1. So a plus 1 also cancel, and finally we get 1 upon a minus 1. So this is the answer. Look at guys, this question. If we have started from the beginning, our LCM would be too long and it will be difficult for us. But when we start from the last term, whose denominator can be factorized by using the formula of a square minus b square. By doing so, in every step we get one common factor in numerator and denominator, which is cancelled there like this, and our expression changes into more simple form. So that combining with the previous term, we could take the LCM easily, and following the process 3 times here. We took the LCM here 3 times. Finally we got our answer in a very simple form. Okay, thank you, bye bye.